For eyes today, I'm gonna be using the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I did this eye off camera. It was very simple. Literally took me like no more than 5 minutes to do this, but obviously it's gonna take me a little longer when I'm doing it with you guys as I'm explaining it, so it's gonna take a little longer. Also, I just wanted to show you guys this little cute brush set that I got from Sonia Kashik. I got it a little while ago, so like even the little brushes have a little snake on them. I wish like the blending brush, I'll show you guys, they were a little better and smaller. Do you guys like see how big they are? They're a little too big to blend, but I made it work. But still, I wish it was smaller. I would love them a lot more. So first, I'm just gonna prime my lids with MAC Soft Ochre. So with a big brush like this, I picked up the shade Tempera, and I'm gonna apply that all over the lid. Now with a bigger blending brush like this, I'm gonna pick up Burnt Orange and apply this onto your crease. With a smaller brush like this, I'm gonna pick up the shade Love Letters and I'm gonna focus this onto my crease and on the outer corner. So with the bigger blending brush, I'm just gonna blend this out. So with this pencil brush, I'm gonna pick up a little more of the Love Letters, and I'm just gonna focus this and slowly, I'm gonna try to keep it pigmented, but slowly just carve out my crease. Because she seems like she has a lot of depth on her crease in the pictures. So I'm gonna try to recreate that. But I do have to cut my crease for it. I don't know how the makeup artist used this shade with red. I would never think of wearing this kind of shade with a red outfit. I would probably wear it with like gold or something. But it still looked good on her, so I guess it worked out, right? Since this little set doesn't have flat brush, I'm just gonna use a flat brush from my BH Cosmetics. And with this brush, I picked up a little bit of soft ochre. I'm just gonna look straight and try to cut my crease with it. Her crease is not super sharp, so don't worry about it too much. And with this little brush, I'm gonna mix a little bit of Tempera and Golden Ochre. And so I'm just gonna take a little bit of Tempera and mix it with this and just apply it onto the eye. With my small pencil brush, I picked up a little more of the Love Letters, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this onto my cut crease and just make the crease stand out a little more. And it also comes with another smaller pencil brush. So with this, I'm gonna pick up a little more of the Golden Ocher and I'm gonna apply it close to the purple mauve shade, just so the cut crease looks a little more sharp. And with the small pencil brush, I'm gonna pick up the Real Girl shade. It's like the burnt orange, and I'm just gonna apply that right here for our transition shade. Just very lightly apply this and blend it. Now I'm gonna pick up the Cypress Umber shade. It's like the darkest brown, and I'm gonna apply this to my lower lash line. And now I'm gonna go back and pick up a little more of the Love Letter shade and blend these two shades together. Now I'm taking this gel liner from L'Oreal. I'm just taking a little bit of it with a small brush like this, and I'm gonna apply this close to my lash line because she doesn't really have a wing liner. She just has a little smudge liner right here. I'm just gonna, with a small pencil brush, I picked up a little bit of the Cypress Umber, and I'm just gonna smoke out this liner with that. Okay, so that's how it looks. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. And now for primer, I just got this new Putty Primer from e.l.f. I'm just gonna grab a little bit of that. I'm just gonna apply this all over my face. And for foundation, I'm gonna be using my very favorite drugstore foundation. It's the Superstay by Maybelline. So I'm just applying this all over my face using my beauty sponge. Do you guys see how full coverage this foundation is? It's crazy. For a drugstore, it is very crazy. And then bring whatever you have left onto your neck. And for concealer, I'm going to be using Milani's Conceal and Crack. I just got this. I haven't tried this before. I literally just opened it. So I'm going to try and see how I like this. I saw might be a little dark. I usually like to buy them a little lighter than this. But we'll see. I'm going to look up and blend this out. Just gonna go around the mouth a little. It's very beautiful and natural looking. I'll give it that. And now to start everything, I'm gonna use Jeffree Star's loose powder in beige. This smells so good, but I hate that it gets everywhere. It smells and it kind of goes in your mouth and tastes a little good too, but it literally smells like cotton candy. So just look up and apply this. And you don't have to bake if you don't want to. I just have to bake because I have really oily skin. And to contour my face, I'm going to use Banana Mama from the Balm Cosmetics. I haven't used this brush. I don't know if it's going to work. Let's try and see if we can use this to contour. Might be a little harsh. It's working, but it's a little hard to blend with this brush. I'm also going to use the same thing to carve out my cheeks. And just applying a little bit onto my forehead, very lightly. I'm going to use the same thing to contour out my nose. Just gonna blend this out with a nice clean brush. Okay, so I did my eyebrows off camera and I still have my baking powder on my face. So I'm just gonna brush away all the baking powder. I use a smaller brush around the nose. And now for blush, I'm gonna be using this beautiful, beautiful blush by Becca. It's called Songbird. Just gonna pick up a little bit of this. And for highlighter, I'm going to be using my MAC's highlighter in One Jump Ahead. This is one of my favorite highlighters. Apply a little on your forehead, on your temples. I'm also applying it to the bridge of my nose. And then your cupid's bow and chin. And with a small detail brush, I'm going to pick up some of this and apply it to my tear duct. Also under the brow bone. And for lashes, I'm going to be using these lashes by Lilly Glitchy in Chicago. I'm just going to pop these on and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got my jewelry and my bendy and my lashes on, so now I'm gonna go and apply my lipstick. I'm gonna be using Milani's Precious for this. This is my favorite shade ever, you guys. It literally goes with anything, and hers seemed like it was this shade too. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I'm so in love with this look, you guys. I can't stop looking at the mirror. I'm so happy with this look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this look come together. If you do try this, please tag me. I would love to see your take on this. And thank you for watching again. Please like and subscribe to my channel and like this video if you like it. And also follow me on TikTok and Instagram, both at Makeupbyroya. Love you guys. Take care. Mwah. Bye.